This conference will now be recorded.
In our previous class, okay, in our previous class we discussed in our previous class we discussed what we discussed in our previous class. In our previous class we discussed okay, how to create the okay how to create the stored processor, right? How to create the stored processor. In our previous class, we discussed how to create the stored processor. How to create the stored processor. Okay. Yeah, Amir, is your server working?
Actually, from last 1 week, I was at my village, so there was network issue was there, so I didn't open that one. I
Send
will
me
try
your
it today.
server details to my WhatsApp. I will check.
Okay, okay, yep.
Okay. Yeah. Send to my personal WhatsApp. I will check. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
See here the point is where we create the stored processor. Where we create the stored processor.
Catalog folder.
See
At,
how many types of perspectives we have in ABAP.
it's more than 10 perspectives are there, and we have created the state procedure in ABAP on HANA, I think.
Yeah, see here, we have more than 10 perspectives, but as a ABAP on HANA consultant, we people are going to use the 5 types of perspectives only. The first one is what here, SAP HANA admin console. And the second one is SAP HANA, okay, SAP HANA modular. And the third one is SAP HANA development. Okay, and the fourth one is ABAP perspective. And the fifth one is debugging perspective. Debugging perspective. Here the point is, we create the stored processor in SAP HANA development. We create the stored processor in SAP HANA development. Now here the point is, we create the stored processor in SAP HANA development. That means, see here, here is an ABAP program. Here is the stored processor we created. See here. Here the point is, see here. This is the HANA database. This is our ABAP application. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, hello, you people are getting my voice clearly. See, the point is we create the stored processor. Okay, here we create this. This is a HANA environment. You can see the stored processor. Okay, see, in yesterday's class, what we did means I just called. Okay, I just call this stored processor using ABAP program. Using ABAP program, see, we discussed how to create the stored processor. And we discussed how to call that stored processor using the ABAP program with the help of the ADBC. With the help of the ADBC. Okay, with the help of the ADBC. Now the point is what? Without ADBC, we need to call the stored processor. Without ADBC, did you remember the external view? External view. What's the purpose of the external view? Without ADBC, we call the calculation view. Right? The same way here also, see, without ADBC, okay, see here, without ADBC, okay, without this ADBC, we need to call this stored processor. How we people can call the stored processor without ADBC? How means, yes, there is a stored processor proxy. There's an option stored processor proxy. There is a there is an option stored processor proxy. With the help of the stored processor proxy, with the help of the stored processor proxy, you can call the processor where you created in HANA database. See, you can call the stored processor proxy without ADBC from the HANA database which you created in the SAP HANA development perspective. Okay, clear, brother? Amir, Frederick, you people are clear or
Yes,
having
Sanjay.
any doubt? Clear, right?
It's clear. Yes.
So now let's see here. Now let's see here. See, I'm going to just double click on the SAP HANA Studio. The same process we need to follow. Which process we followed for the external view? The same process we need to follow. Just wait, it's going to open. Okay. Yeah, see here now. Now, can you please tell me I'm in which perspective? Can you please tell
SAP
me I'm in which
HANA
perspective?
perspective.
Which the I'm in HANA Studio, that's okay. In which perspective I'm in now?
Uh, that's SAP. That is HANA S4 HANA. What was that highlighted over there?
Brother, you are in the SAP HANA development perspective,
Yeah,
brother.
yeah. SAP HANA development. Yes.
Which icon is highlighted? You are in that icon. You are in that perspective. Okay. You're in that perspective. Okay. Now see, I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to provide the password. First of all, I'll show you the processor. It's expanded. Oh, it's okay. It's here. They didn't provide the accessible here. Repository. Yes, see here, this is repositories. Select and click on open. Yes, now the repository came. Expand it, you can see the repositories. Okay, you can see the repository. For example, just try to expand that. Here, which see here, we created, okay, see here, for example, batch 8 AMA. Okay, for example, you can see here, for example, I want to call this get processor, which is in batch 8 AM. Okay, without, see here, without ADBC. So what we need to do, without ADBC, we want to call, that means what, there's an option stored processor proxy where you can find in ABAP perspective. But the point is, you can't find this stored processor proxy option directly in ABAP perspective. You can find this, you can identify this stored processor proxy option with, okay, with the help of the database, with the help of the database proxy, database proxy something. See here, now see here, click on ABAP perspective. Okay, now expand the project, give the name, give the password here, click on OK. Now right click on the project, click on new, see, click on others, try to specify here proxy. Did you see here database proxy, database processor proxy? Through the with the help of this database processor proxy only you can identify. With the see, the point is through the database proxy. Through the database proxy only you can identify. Through the database proxy only you can identify. See here, select and click on next button. Click on next. Just try to provide the package name here. I'm going to provide the package. See, I'm going to CSP proxy, for example, one. Name here, calling stored processor. And see, did you identify here? When you specify the proxy name, automatically the proxy interface also will create on this name. See here, this is the proxy name. When you provide the proxy, then automatically internally, okay, proxy, okay, for this proxy interface will generate. For this proxy interface generate. See, this interface having the structure. I'll show you that one also. Now see here, here it is asking the proxy name. For external view, okay, there is a option browse button, but here it doesn't have. So just try to specify the processor name. Here the processor name is what, get. Just try to specify get and control space bar. Then on the get, see here, 1 second here. Okay, see, if you not identify, or else just try to, okay, batch control space bar, you'll get on the batch. See here, yeah, see here, get, see here, the point is, wait, yeah, see here, batch, see here, brother, did you see under this batch, this is the processor, right? Get info. Okay, this is a processor. Select and see, double click it. Okay, then click on next button, then click on next. That means what, here get info is the proxy. Get info is the proxy which we see, get info is the processor where we create this processor in HANA development. From that HANA development, we are going to call that processor using the proxy. Now click on finish button. Just try to click on finish button. Once you click on finish button, the same thing will come. Did you see? For the external view also, see here, you did the synchronization. Okay, see, these are the, see here, these are the, okay, these are the ABAP DDS, okay, data dictionary component feeds, and these are the HANA, inside of the HANA view, okay, which fields you specified those things. Here the point is HANA fields and dictionary fields both needs to synchronize. That means here both needs to merge. Okay, so click on synchronize. Yes, yeah, it's synchronized. Then next later, see, just try to save it. click on check button. Okay, see here, click on, see here, save, and see here, one second, save and click on check button. I just click on check button and see this is the activation button. Click on activation button. It's activated. It's activated. Please don't forget to activate it. If you not forget, okay, you can't, this won't work. See, this is the proxy name. This is a proxy name, and this proxy interface, this is when you provide the proxy name, then automatically interface will get created. In this interface, inside of the HANA database, which fields you use, that fields you can see in the form of a structure. Click on this one. Did you see? It says, see, did you see the fields? REC is what it says, result output variable, structure name. Okay, got the point, brother Amir and Frederick. You will set here. This will be created. This structure will be created by the. Okay, this structure will be created by this structure will be created by defaultly. When it will create, when you provide the interface name by defaultly, based on your processor, the structure will get created. Okay, you will set here.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's clear. So
Clear?
Anil, on this one, so even when these tables are synchronized, right? It really doesn't matter if the so uh, I'll ask you in a few. Just continue. My baby
Okay.
woke up, so just continue.
Okay. Yeah. See, once you create the proxy like this, once you activate, now you need to go for the writing code. See, I'm going to write the code here onwards. I'm going to right click on the project. I'm going to click on new and click on, okay, ABAP. Okay, here is, you can't see the ABAP program. So click on others, ABAP. Now the program will come. See here, click on next. See, try to specify the package. Now see, here I'm going to provide, okay, proxy link here, program. Now see here, calling stored processor without, okay, using using proxy. Proxy means what? Without stored processor. Click on next button. Then click on finish button. Okay. Now here you need to write. See, in ABAP, in external view, you wrote the select query, right? But here we should not write the select query. Here you should not write. Once again, I'll try to change the font size.
Here we call the view, right?
No. Here we need to call the procedure. Procedure. Which
Oh, the
procedure we
procedure. Yes,
created?
yes, the
Not
procedure. Yes,
procedure. Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Here, see. Now the point is, see here. Call procedure. Okay. Just one second. Before that, I need to create the internal table. See here. So how you can create the internal table? Did you remember? How you can create the internal table? Data. Okay. How you can
Yes.
create the internal table? See,
data. Yes.
data, for example, IT underscore final type refer to. You can specify the view name, but here don't specify the view name. In external view, I just specify the view name, external view name. Here don't specify the external view name. Here you need to specify the stored processor proxy interface. What, see, this stored processor proxy having the structure. Okay, that's why. Okay, that's enough. Now here I need to call. See here. If you see, I need to get the data. I need to get the data. I need to get the data from the processor proxy. How can I call that processor proxy into my web program? Any idea? Yes. See here. If it is a external view, you can write the select star from something like that. But here it's a proxy. So call database processor proxy. Okay. and give the space here. Proxy name is what here? See, ZSP underscore proxy. Click on control space bar. See here, ZSP underscore proxy. That means see here this one. Okay, control space bar this one. Okay, just shift enter. Just shift enter. This proxy having the okay. Say RES. This proxy is going to provide the result through this one. Here, okay, you need to specify IT underscore final. Then this proxy will provide the results, right? That results we are passing into this IT underscore final. Okay, you will are clear.
Yes.
And see this proxy. See here. This is what it's a. See the point is here. This is a proxy. Okay. Instead of this proxy, see here, we don't need to specify. Control space bar here. 1 second here. Yeah, here the point is to see in this interface. Okay, you need to specify the result. See here, that one. Okay, so see here now you will say okay. How to try? 1
Yes.
second here. Yeah. See, it's a this is not a class to specify the refer to. Okay, it's an interface, so no need to specify here. Type only. Next to save. Okay, still something. Okay. It's a standard. It's type standard table of. Yeah, it's no error. Now this is what it's an internal table. Now see this proxy is going to provide the results to this importing parameter RES. This has the output that is going to pass to this one. This internal table having the data. Now we need to display here if IT underscore final is not initial and if so see here class demo output display IT underscore final else message no data was founded. That's enough. See, I didn't write any ADBC programming here. Okay, I didn't write any ADBC programming here. Okay, I didn't write, but you can see I can get the data. Now see here, I'm saving, checking, and activating. Just save, check, activated, and see. Now I'm going to click on F8. You can see the data. Okay, see here interest and everything calculated. See, I didn't made any calculations inside of this program. Where I did in proxy. Okay, got the point, brother. Amir and Frederick, you both are clear. I'm getting it out.
Yes, Anand.
Yeah, clear. So the calculation was done on the proxy.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm clear.
Okay. See, and tomorrow's class is very important. HTC and HTA. HANA Transport Container and HANA Transport Container for ABAP. Once you develop the object, how you can transport from development to quality to production, how you can do it with the help of the transport request. That one we people discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Bye. See you. Okay. Have a nice day. Yeah. I mean, if you don't mind,
Yep.
can you make a call to me now? Can you make a call
Yes.
to me
Yes.
now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Bye. See you. Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Thank you.